friends, welcome back to my channel. As always, thank you so much for being here. Today is Sunday, December the 1st, and me and my family will be decorating my Christmas tree. So I want you all to stay tuned, get you, some chips, get you a little soda, get you some snacks, kick your feet up, whatever, because it may be a pretty lengthy video, but I want you all to stay here and maybe you can catch some info of how you want to decorate your tree. Also, drop in the comments, what color scheme are you doing this year?
Let's get this party started.
Hello to my beautiful, beautiful supporters. As always, I'm so glad that you all are here watching this video. We had the best time decorating our Christmas tree. It was 4 of us, myself, my mom, my daughter Jada, my son Braylon, and baby, we knocked this tree out in no time, okay? And I always tease with my mom, every time me and her successfully get something done, I always ask her, could we make it turn into a business? I don't know, it's just the entrepreneur in me, baby. I don't care if we packing up boxes. I'm like, Mom, we could be a moving company. I don't care if we blowing leaves in the yard. I'm like, Mom, we might could do lawn care. But anyway, we had a real good time decorating the tree. My kids were so happy. And that made me happy. And I was ecstatic because my Christmas tree was up on December 1st. Y'all, that is major for me. Y'all just don't know. It's sometimes in the past, it has been like December 20th. And I was putting my tree up, okay? Now, I would have been extremely excited if I could have put it up on Thanksgiving night. But December 1st, that was still good. That was still good for me. So, I ended up going to Bargain Hunt. I think I found my ornaments at Bargain Hunt. Found my tree at Walmart. I had a beautiful tree that I wanted to order from Amazon, but I waited too late to order it. The price went up by $40, and I just didn't want to pay that much for it anymore. So what I did was I went to Walmart. I ended up getting a 6.5 pre-lit for, I think they had this tree for $69. My ornaments, I love the ornaments. They came, as you'll get ready to see, they came in a big pack. I think it was like 50 ornaments for $20. So yeah, I was definitely doing Christmas decorating on a budget. We went to Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby has their Christmas decor 50% off. We were able to get a lot of that. Y'all about to see all of that coming up. I don't want to spoil it. So I just, just wanted to come in and tell y'all I love y'all so much. And I hope you enjoy the video. These are the ornaments that I got from Bargain Hunt that we're using. They were by the brand MOTIF. I guess you would say MOTIF. I bought the ornament hooks thinking that I may need them. But when we opened the box up, they had this pretty metallic string that was already tied onto every ornament. So it was definitely worth the $20. That was a good move. I didn't even know I had bought something that was already so conveniently orchestrated, but I loved these ornaments and they were all beautiful. The color scheme was already there. This was the best thing I bought for this tree, the ornament pack. It had about 4 or 5 different color ornaments. Already had the strings attached to hang on the tree. MOTIF, however you pronounce your name, chef kiss. I love your wrapping paper. I got two different types of wrapping paper from Bargain Hunt by the same brand. And I love this set of ornaments. So the night we put up our Christmas tree, which was Sunday, today is Tuesday. I'm uploading the video. We actually sat in the living room after we put the tree up and just watching YouTube. So we came across my channel and we were watching some of my old videos. I think I started doing YouTube 6 years ago. And we were looking at my kids. They were so tiny and so young. And now I'm looking at my babies. Jada is almost 13. Braylon will be 11 this month. And I'm in my feelings because, oh my goodness. Like, they look so big. And then we looked at the videos from 6 years ago and they were just little babies. But yes, I'm about to be a teen. I'm the mom of a teenager. I cannot believe it. I want to give a special shout out to my mom for helping us decorate the tree. Look at the joy in her face when I gave her those ornaments. These are the ornaments that we got from Hobby Lobby. They were absolutely beautiful. I love when JD is about to give y'all a close-up because they were just gorgeous. Look at them. Hobby Lobby really, really hooked us up. These are some of the pics that we got from them. Again, everything for their Christmas decor on Black Friday was 50% off. So most of these things were probably like $4 each, but with 50% off, we only paid $2. And yes, they really, really, really brought the tree out. I absolutely love them. Now, I actually picked up this next set of flowers from Walmart. When I went to go get my tree, they had these out kind of like on the end cap. And they were like $1. I want to say $1.28. So they just added a little pop to the tree. I think I got maybe 5 of these. It turned out really, really cute. These were another Hobby Lobby find. They were originally $8.99 with 50% off. I ended up paying about $4.50 for them. I got two. And you will see Jada is searching high and low for a place to put them. First, she wanted to put them on the mantle. Then she wanted to put them right in front of the TV. But we ended up putting them in front of the Christmas tree. And I didn't even realize until I was going back to edit this video that you could not see the floor where we put them in front of the tree. But it was really, really cute. Now, the amount of glitter that was on the floor and on the table from the ornaments was extreme, okay? So you'll see me vacuuming again. Also, my mom is putting her finishing touches on the tree, just going through and critiquing, making sure everything is up to par. Now, the ornaments was the easy part, but the part that I absolutely do not like is fluffing the tree when it's straight out of the box and all of the limbs are stuck together. That was the longest part of this entire video, but the ornaments were a breeze. Like I said, this was a four-on-one job. We had four people on this one tree, and we literally knocked it out in no time. It was so gorgeous. I loved it. I really, really loved it. And I thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Comment below again your color scheme and what you have planned for Christmas. Also, let me know if your tree is already up. If you will be putting up a tree, just let me know what you got going on for this holiday season.